Earnings season is here, so let's talk about Netflix earnings today and how I'm playing that one and a whole bunch of other great earning plays for this week. What's going on, everyone? My name is MetaMatt, and in today's video, I'll be discussing a bunch of earning plays this week. Now remember, any earnings play is risky. Some companies can have great earnings and the stock can still go down. We already had some big earnings come out today, such as Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and Charles Schwab. However, Netflix earnings are due to come out after market close today. So with Netflix, expectations are dirt cheap, which makes it easy to beat. There was a pretty big gap to fill here, meaning there's a lot of room for it to run if it goes up. The bottom of the gap is looking around the $248 range, with the top being in the $331 range. So like I said, a lot of room to run. However, there was a gap to fill for previous earnings and Netflix still went down. I personally think it looks bullish, however, I just don't trust it. There is a lot of negative market sentiment regarding Netflix. I need to see it push over 210 for me to really think that this is bullish. You can also wait 2 to 3 days for the impulse push from earnings to wear off and trade the recovery or correction, which is typically true for most earning plays. Tesla has earnings Tuesday, and we are currently looking at a big ol' wedge on the charts. This means that we can expect a pretty big move. I'm not going to say whether I think it's up or down because honestly, I don't know. This one could go either way, but whichever way it goes, it's looking like it's going to be a big move. With trades like this, it's not about being right about the stock going up or down. It's about being ready for both circumstances. Remember, in trading, we don't always have to be right, we just have to be ready. They set their earnings expectations pretty low as well at $1.81. Last quarter, they set their estimated earnings per share at $1.91 and beat it by 6 cents. I personally am looking for it to clear over the 760 to 770 range for it to break to the upside. I can see it running as high as $863 range with some hard resistance at $870. But if it fails $670, then I can see it going down pretty hard from there. United Airlines also has earnings tomorrow. They just recently broke up into a new channel, so this could be a good opportunity seeing as the stock has a set of channels that it seems to like. I like these levels for a starter buy, and then I'd see if it can hold the current channel support level at $40 and push up. If we can see good earnings, this could see a pretty good push up as the resistance of this current channel is all the way up in the $48 range. Snapchat has earnings Thursday. They have a similar setup to Netflix. This is another subscription service company that has been dropping the ball as of late. It's in a wedge with a potential gap to fill. However, I just don't see that happening. Keep in mind, this stock was trading at $83.34 back in September. I personally am staying away from this one. If I were to trade this, I would take a very small position here and hope for a run to the $15.60 to $16 range. And from there, look for the next resistance to be around $17. AT&T is another company that has earnings later this week. They have a 50% gap fill, but I'm not confident that this one is going to hold. I see a jagged cup and handle on the daily chart. Honestly, it looks like it can't break resistance, so I'm going to currently stay bearish on this one. I would be bullish if we see $21.21 or higher, but I don't see that happening. Nokia has earnings as well this week, and it currently is in a descending wedge. It is breaking over the current resistance now, but we need a good break over $4.90 for a nice run. They have low restricted shares, so it needs some good volume. They won't be able to surprise shareholders with dilution. However, they do have a share buyback program. Honestly, I'm buying some right here. Verizon is breaking out of its current resistance as well and looks great. Yesterday in PB Alerts, our trading Discord, we took an options call for Verizon. $51 strike price, $1.15 premium, August 19th expiration. We hit our target on that one today, but I am still bullish. You can take our next options play by joining the Discord in the description of this video. And the last earnings play I'll be talking about is my personal favorite, Schlumberger. I don't know anything about this company, I just like the name. This one has good potential for a retrace as far as the charts go. It bounced off the $30 range, has been finding a good support trend line since. It needs to push up above this $34 range, otherwise it is in big trouble and can drop back down hard. If you have any questions on any of these plays or anything in general, feel free to ask in the comments of this video, or you can find me in my trading discords in the link tree, which is in the description of this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more stock and crypto content, and if you like Web3 and NFT content, head over to my personal channel, MetaMatt, and drop a sub. I hope to see you then, but until next time, as always, I hope that you all make some bread.